Turn to page number 57. There is something which is different from what you have done earlier in data handling. Earlier in data handling, you used to make frequency tables, pictographs, then bar graphs, right?
So,
This time we have a little different work. What we are going to do is we are going to learn about how to interpret the data. अभी तक आपने सिर्फ ये काम किया था कि अगर आपको डेटा प्रोवाइडेड है, आई होप एवरीवन नोज व्हाट डेटा इज. डेटा विल बी अ लिस्ट और कलेक्शन ऑफ फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स. आपके पास कुछ वैल्यूज की लिस्ट है, वो वैल्यूज न्यूमेरिकल भी हो सकती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू हैव द वेट्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर क्लास और द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर क्लास, तो वो नंबर्स वाली लिस्ट होगी. सेकेंड थिंग इज द डेटा कुड बी अल्फाबेटिकल, where you have words, जिसको हम बोलते हैं collection of facts. For example, there was one question last year जहाँ पे favorite sweets लिखी थी, वो लड्डू जलेबी वाला question था. उसमें numbers नहीं थे, उसमें words थे. Same thing, if I write down the favorite color, if I write down a favorite color, तो उसमें numbers नहीं होंगे, उसमें क्या होंगे? Words होंगे. So this type of list is called data, and each of those values is called observation. Do you remember that? Anyone who doesn't remember this? Anyone who does not remember these two words? Anyone does not remember this? And you don't have to write this actually. I'm just only showing this to you. Data is a collection of facts and figures. हमारे पास कुछ list of values है. उसमें numbers हो सकते हैं और words हो सकते हैं. और हर उस नंबर को या फिर वर्ड को हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जर्वेशन. अब अगर नंबर्स की एग्जांपल लेनी है तो आप लिख सकते हो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड. आपके पास लिस्ट है ऑफ मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th A. तो जो लिस्ट बनेगी उसमें नंबर्स होंगे, और जितने भी लिस्ट में नंबर्स हैं उन सभी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? ऑब्जर्वेशंस. एंड अगर मैं वर्ड्स की एग्जांपल लूं, लिस्ट बनानी है मुझे वर्ड्स की, सो आई कैन राइट डाउन लिस्ट ऑफ फेवरेट कलर ऑफ students of 7th A. From all the 50 students in your class, if I ask about the favorite color and I make the list of those colors, then that list will be called data. And from that list, each value, for example, if I ask Abhideep, what's your favorite color? Is he online?
ma'am, green.
Green. Okay, so green will be an observation. Then Achyut.
Ma'am, red.
So we have green, we have red, then we have Akhil. Amandeep. Amandeep is answering or Akhil is answering?
Ma'am, Akhil.
Ma'am, Amandeep.
Both are answering. Okay, let's do one by one. Akhil, can you tell me your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Amandeep.
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Next, who's next? Amitoj. Or Amarjot. Amarjot is first, I think. Amarjot or Amitoj? Anyone who's online? I think you are online. I can see that Amarjot and Amitosh both are online, but they're not answering. Okay. Then we have Anadrup. Anadrup. No answer. Aryan Arora.
Mama orange.
Orange.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is Aryan Bhardwaj online?
Ma'am blue.
Blue. Okay. Let's do a couple more and then I'll discuss. Ashrit.
Ma'am, blue.
Blue again. Okay. After Ashrit, I think we have Bani.
Ma'am, purple.
Okay. We have purple. Then we have Bhavya.
Red.
Red. Bhavleen. Is Bhavleen online? No, Bhavleen is not online. Let's go towards the end a little. I've got Sehajpreet.
My favorite color.
Yes.
Blue.
Blue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shivam.
Ma'am, red.
Red. Tarunpreet.
Ma'am, blue.
Blue. Tejas. Tejas, you have, I think, turned your mic on. Beta, answer. What's your favorite color?
Ma'am, black.
Black. Okay. And finally, we have Yogita. Yogita.
Ma'am, pink.
Pink. Okay. So I have written down a list. I've not asked from all students. That would take too long. So now this is the list, and this is a list. As such, this is called data. ये हमारा data है. This data tells us the favorite color of the students of 7th A. So I was able to ask from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 students. 14 students से मैंने पूछा उनके favorite color कौन सा है, उन्होंने ये answers दिए मुझे, and I have made a list. This is data for me. And each of these values, green, red, blue, pink, these words, each of these words is called observation. Each color, every entry is called observation. So now you can see there are some colors which are repeated. कुछ colors repeat हो रहे हैं. For example, red. Red repeat हो रहा है. How many times is red repeated?
3.
3 times. So I'll just write down that red is liked by 3 students. Out of 14, red is liked by 3 students. Then I can see blue.
5 students.
Okay, so blue is liked by 5 students. And then I have green, I've got pink too, I've got purple, I've got black. Did I miss any? Orange. Quickly, can you help me?
1.
No, Lovepreet,
Green
you're not
one.
getting any. Green is 1. Pink is 2.
Pink is 2.
1.
Purple 1. Purple is 1.
Black.
Black is 1.
Orange
Orange is 1.
Now, how can we be sure that we have counted all? So we can just add these. There were total 14 observations. 14 entries thi mere paas. So I have 14 observations in total. Let's check the total here. 3 plus 5, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is correct. And when I count, कि मेरी जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं कितनी बार आई. The number of times an observation is repeated, the word that I use is frequency. Do you remember this word?
Yes, ma'am.
The number of times an observation is repeated is called frequency. So if I had to write down, I will just write here, ये जो list बनाई मैंने, ये colors की, this list, these are the observations.
Observation.
और ये जो numbers हैं इस तरफ, this is the
Frequency.
frequency, right? I think सभी को याद आ गया हमने क्या क्या किया हुआ है. Using this हमने frequency table बनाया था, pictograph बनाया था, हमने bar graph draw किए थे. We used to answer questions. We were given the table, we were given the bar graph, we were given the pictograph, और उसके ऊपर हमें questions पूछे थे, हमने उनका भी आंसर दिया था. Do you remember that? This time we don't have that much of drawing work, than we have the calculation part. Based on the data given, we will be doing some mathematical calculations to give our answers. So I'm just going to start by writing down the first thing that we will study. That's called mean of the data. So that's the first thing we want to write down. You can make a heading. It is also called arithmetic mean, or it is called average.
We have to write this down.
Yes, this you have to write down.
And I also wrote the data.
That's fine. That's completely fine if you've written that. Now, what we understand by this is, I'll take an example. Suppose there is a student and uske English में, Hindi में, Maths में, Science में, SST में marks आए हैं. I'll just write down out of 80. So out of 80, let's give him 75 in English. Let's give 72 in Hindi. Let's give 79 in Math. 80 out of 80 in Science. And then let's give 70. I know, but the meeting will end in a while. So these are the marks of a student. And we want to find out average marks.